Here we go.
Turn it off. Thunderstorm warning for southeastern Blaine County in northwestern Oklahoma, southern Kingfisher County in central Oklahoma, northwestern Canadian County in central Oklahoma, north central Caddo County in southwestern Oklahoma, until 7:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:26 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Bridgeport, moving northeast at 50 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, entries. Locations impacted include Watonga, Kingfisher, Hinton, Geary, Okarche, Calumet, Hitchcock, Bridgeport, Greenfield, Loyal, and Omega. This includes Interstate 40 between mile markers 92 and 111. A tornado watch remains in effect for the warned area. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Another one! Double header! That's a double header.
The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Canadian County in central Oklahoma, central Caddo County in southwestern Oklahoma, northwestern Grady County in central Oklahoma, until 7:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:27 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 5 miles west of Gracemont, moving northeast at 50 miles an hour. Expected hazards include golf ball-size hail and 60 miles an hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. People and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, entries. Locations impacted include El Reno, Hinton, Binger, Fort Cobb, Calumet, Gracemont, Lakiva, Kogar, Albert, Concho, Fort Cobb Reservoir, and Cedar Lake. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Wow.
The National Weather Service has